Guys, it's my birthday! Gloomy lang, pero hindi ulan. Yun. Ano nang wish ko? Mamaya na. Guys, it's my birthday. I'm ano na, 24 years old na ako. I'm so old. Hello guys, good morning. So, I'm on my way sa cementerio to run. Say, wala lang, gusto ko lang tumakbo sa birthday ko. Happy birthday to me! Although matagal gusto ko talaga siyang gawin. Ever since I started running. Sabi ko lang sa isip ko noon na I'm gonna run on my birthday. Ano ko pa nga nun ang goal ko is to run 24 kilometers. Kasi I'm 24 now. Kaso sa state ng katawan ko, I don't think I can finish a 24K. So, ang pinaka-goal ko lang is 10K max. If hindi kaya ng 10K, 5K is fine. Ang gloomy ngayon! Which is okay lang naman. Para hindi mainit. Pero sana hindi umulan. Gloomy lang, pero hindi ulan. Yun. I just parked here sa malapit sa puntod na lola at lola ko. So hello, Daddy and Mommy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If araw, malapit na mag-8. So init na siya. So I have to be fast as I can. Kasi ayaw kong mainitan. Cup or not? Cup or not? Cup or not? Cup or not? Not. Bakit kasi ng buhok ko? Banara na. I'm gonna do warm-ups first. Nalimutan ko na kung paano ako nag-warm up. Been 3 weeks since I last run. And medyo rusty talaga ako today. Kaya rin hindi ko kaya mag 24K. Kasi ang last run ko pa is yung last fun run ko this year. So yeah, yun ang update on my running agenda. Ewan ko, after kasi nung fun run, feel ko na burnout ako. Na-burnout ako with running. And ngayon, I'm attempting to get back sa running agenda ko. I still want to run next year. And ang hirap ng bitawan kasi I've come a long way since I started. Kasi naka ako, diba? Nag 1 year na ako with running ng October. And gusto ko siyang tumagal. And kasi gusto ko rin nagkaroon ng movement sa sa life ko. Although next year I wanna explore more hobbies and kung ano mang magustuhan kong sports next year. Pero I'm still sticking with running. Pero baka hindi na ako masyadong sumali sa mga fun run, ganun. Kaya ayun.
do you know? Suddenly you're older now. They call you grown up, the dog and the build and the garden and the picturesque house.
Hi, Sir Giro. Yes, sir. Can you invite me here? Here's something. Wow. Attention, Texas Roadhouse. We have a very special guest tonight. We've got here my friend Sir Giro. She's celebrating his 21st birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And the count of three, want to hear your loudest and proudest exercise. One, two, three. Yay! Happy birthday, make a wish, sir, for Texas Roadhouse.
And that's enough for me right now anyway. At 24.
Si 21 pala siya.
You travel the world, swim under a waterfall. You have everything you ever wanted. You wonder when your dad will call. And you're in New York again with your oldest friend. And the basket of bread still warm.
Hey December. I know some people say 24 is still young. And they're right. There's so much ahead of me. Opportunities to grow, dreams to chase, and memories to make. I want to make this year count by focusing on personal growth and pursuing what truly makes me happy. Looking back on my life, I realize that every experience, whether good or challenging, has shaped me. I'm learning to embrace both the excitement and uncertainties that come with growing older. Besides, I think the journey of self-discovery and growth is beautiful in its own way. I am always grateful for my family and friends for keeping me loved and cared for. There's nothing I want to wish for them but happiness and a healthy life. So, here's to 24. May it be a year of courage, growth, and endless possibilities. May I continue to learn, love, and live life to the fullest. Now, I'm ready for whatever adventures and challenges this new chapter brings. Happy
What do you
24th
know?
birthday, Jiro.
Suddenly you're 24.
Hi guys, it's the next day. And pumunta akong vet kanina. Kanina lang. And then sarado sila. I don't know if half day lang sila ngayon. Pero hindi naman kasi nabanggit. Yeah. Dinala ko yung dalawang tuta. Dahil third week ng deworming sana nila today. I mean, dapat nung 27 pa. Kaso, maraming ganap. So, nalimutan dalhin sila sa vet. Kaya, delayed na yung deworming nila. So, I hope okay lang yun. Although, sinerch ko naman, as long as nasa window ng 14 days na hindi tama sa schedule, kailangan agapan agad. So, ayun. Ano pa lang naman, 2 days. Pero pag sa January 2 na kasi yung open nila. And then ano na yun, pang 6 days na ata nilang wala pang they were 6 days behind dun sa schedule nila. nasayang yung effort kong pupunta dito. Pero wala tayong magagawa dahil hindi natin kontrolado ang mga bagay pa. Nang-go na. Oh my gosh. I'll see you later. Wait lang. Cuties! Cutie babies! So update, nandito kami sa, lumipat ako sa kabilang vet na pinupuntahan namin. Yung vet nila Rako talaga. And ayun, tapos na sila i-deworm. Kasi nakakatakot kasi kung next year pa, sa January 2, pa yung magiging nila, next deworm. So, pinilit ko na dito sa FerMD, sa malapit sa amin. Kasi nga, ayun, baka magkaroon pa sila ng complications lalo kapag na-delay. And tapos na siya. Ayun sila. Totnot! Tonton! Hi! Sarili niya. So I'm on my way para bumili ng spaghetti kasi kahapon walang spaghetti. And alam mo naman sa Filipino culture, hindi ko alam kung Filipino culture siya, pero nakasanayan na kasi na every birthday dapat merong pasta or pansit para para for health, for long life, ganon. So ayun, punta ko ng Jollibee para bumili ng family pan. And kasi nagugutom na rin. Actually, gusto ko talaga yung manghinasal palabok. Kaso, wala kasing drive-thru nun. So, sa Jollibee na lang. Yeah. So, I'm on my way there. And go na yung stoplight. I'll see you there sa Jollibee. Okay, bye-bye! Ngayon mukhang dito sa camera.
Dapat dito din. Wala po naman talaga.
Basta, vintage yun. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday ulit?
Wish you, wish you, wish you, wish you, wish you.
Hindi ko alam ang wish ko. Mamaya na lang. Happy New Year, Yumi. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Uy, naku. Kagtatampo. Happy New Year, ako my Yummy. Ang cute. Ang cute. Tumatag nga lang. Pakita ba kita sa video? Okay, para makita ka na yan. Makita ka na yan.
Hiya,
Shout out kay Sian. Hello, picturean kita yan. Goal! Goal! Oh my God!